Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles, where the roar of innovation meets the pulse of speed. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping supercars to come out of Maranello, the 2026 Ferrari SF100. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari fan or just love futuristic performance cars, buckle up because what Ferrari has cooked up for 2026 is nothing short of revolutionary. Section 1. Exterior Design, Futuristic and Fearless. Let's start with the exterior design, and trust me, this thing looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi film. The 2026 SF100 is sculpted with aggressive aerodynamics, ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, and a low-slung profile that screams speed, even when standing still. Ferrari went full throttle with carbon fiber body panels, active aero elements, and a redesigned rear diffuser that's just chef's kiss. The front grille features a sleeker nose, inspired by F1 dynamics, and the massive rear wing is fully adjustable, adapting to your drive mode for optimal downforce. The 21-inch forged wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, giving it a stance that's both elegant and ready to attack the track. Section 2. Interior Design, Luxury Meets Tech. Step inside, and the SF100's cabin welcomes you with a blend of racing DNA and cutting-edge luxury. Ferrari didn't just upgrade the tech, they redefined the whole cockpit experience. The steering wheel? Inspired directly from Formula One. Flat-bottomed, packed with touch-sensitive controls, and finished in Alcantara and carbon fiber. The dash features a curved OLED display that flows seamlessly into the center console, with an advanced infotainment system powered by Ferrari's new AI driving assistant. The bucket seats are sculpted for performance but finished in premium leather, microfiber, and contrasting stitching that highlights its Italian craftsmanship. Ambient lighting, real metal trim, and a minimalist yet aggressive layout make this the most driver-focused Ferrari interior ever. Section 3. Performance, next-level power. Now, let's talk about what really matters. Performance. Under that beautifully engineered hood is a hybrid twin-turbo V8, producing a jaw-dropping 1,030 horsepower, paired with a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60, a mind-melting 2.1 seconds, top speed. Over 230 miles per hour, Ferrari has implemented its latest EAWD system, giving the SF100 razor-sharp cornering and improved traction across all conditions. With the side-slip control 8.0, it's nearly impossible to lose control, even when you're pushing the limits. Oh, and let's not forget the brand-new active suspension system that reads the road and track in real time. Whether you're on a canyon road or flying down the Nürburgring, the SF100 adapts instantly. Section 4. Safety, intelligent and advanced. For a car this fast, safety can't be an afterthought, and Ferrari didn't treat it as one. The SF100 is equipped with Ferrari Shield Tech, an advanced driver assistance suite that includes adaptive cruise control lane keep assist collision, avoidance braking 360-degree vision using LiDAR and AI-powered cameras. Add to that an advanced carbon composite crash structure. And the SF100 is not just about speed, it's about controlled speed with peace of mind. Section 5. Overall, a new Ferrari legend is born. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Ferrari SF100 isn't just a car, it's a symbol of where Ferrari is heading. A perfect blend of electric innovation, raw combustion power, high-tech luxury, and signature Ferrari style. This is not just the future of Ferrari, it's the future of supercars. Expect production to be extremely limited, with whispers that only 4,999 units will be made, and each one starting north of $600,000. But for those lucky few, you're not just buying a car, you're owning the next chapter in Ferrari history. Outro. So what do you think of the 2026 Ferrari SF100? Would you take this over a Bugatti, a Koenigsegg, or a McLaren? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any updates on the most incredible cars on Earth. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and keep dreaming big. This is USA Dream Vehicles, signing off. Would you like a Japanese version of this script too?